Welcome to the Teacher and Facilitator Mission Copilot. This tool is designed to help you, as the teacher or project facilitator, assess and score project teams quickly and efficiently. We recommend first watching the Cadet Mission Copilot tutorial so you become familiar with the project process and the layout of the tool. Just like the Project Mission Copilots, this tool includes an Instructions tab. You can either listen to this tutorial or read through the detailed guidance on how to use it. The Mission Select tab allows you to choose a mission from the drop-down menu. This sets the environment the model will use to assess the project teams. Please select the appropriate level of play. The requirements and calculations differ between cadet and engineer levels, as free space path loss affects how missions are successfully engineered. Each team can enter a team name, which helps differentiate and identify them in the assessment views. You enter project team selections in the lemon-coloured drop-downs, just as the project teams would in the Player Mission Copilots. This section shows whether a mission has passed or where the solution is failing. The results are displayed for all active project teams. This is the project team assessment view, where the various solutions are scored against each other. This section provides a scored assessment for each project team, ranking them against one another. A number 1 ranking indicates first place, the strongest solution. The first ranking orders team submissions by mission success and overall cost, placing the most successful and cheapest solutions at the top. This ranking shows the projected cost over the mission's lifetime, giving an indication of value for money. You can decide which metric to use, but value for money is generally the stronger measure. Other factors may also be considered, such as upgrade potential or environmental benefits. These scoring criteria should always be decided and stated upfront in the mission briefing. Please note that this tool also includes macros. They are designed to make navigation easier and to support maintenance of the tool. The tool will still function even if you choose not to enable the macros. The Clear MCP button resets all project builds, removing all of the selections across every team. The selection highlighted allows you to drill down and show the model-populated project templates for a specific team and build. The format is the same as the other Mission Copilots and the free DLC templates available in the resources free DLC pages. Good luck in your mission briefing, and don't forget I can brief your teams for you by video from the mission briefing pages on the website or from the Swapc YouTube channel.